It's the Howell family, and we're back at it again with another bang. Before we get further into this video, make sure you guys go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and turn the post notifications on. That's right. Today is what? October the 14th, and we have made it past our first trimester. It is currently 6:37 in the morning. That's why I'm talking so low. I'm not trying to wake everybody up in their apartments. But anyway, we're getting some breakfast ready because we got doctor's appointments at 7:30 in the morning and at 9 o'clock in the morning. So, I mean, it's pretty early. So
I have the other pictures in my purse, actually.
Oh, you do? Alrighty, everyone. So we have just got done doing our second ultrasound. And what it looks like, I mean...
12 weeks and 4 days.
12 weeks and 4 days, what it looks like. I'm saying it might be 2 boys. I don't know.
Oh, my God.
Because...
It's too early to tell.
I know it's too early to tell, but baby B had energy like me. He or she, but I'm still going with 2 boys. But baby B was up there squirming a lot, moving a lot. Like, yeah, I'm woke. He's probably listening to some of my my singles that I got, my unreleased singles. But yeah, let me show him real quick.
This is baby B. From there to here. This is baby A.
So look at the difference, guys. This is baby A from September, what date?
I don't even remember. It should be at the top somewhere.
So September the 14th. This is baby A. Now we are at the October 14th, and now look at baby A. Wow, and this is baby B. This is baby B. Now look at baby B. Like, look how small they were.
You can get them in one picture. Now you have to go side to side.
Like
she can't go out enough to get each one in the same one.
Yeah, like she was saying, like, first time you can get in one picture, but now you can't. Man, I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm so excited, man. Like, I'm still going with two boys. I don't know.
I want a boy and a girl. If we had
I want a boy and a girl. It might be a boy and a girl because baby B was squirming a little bit. Then the girl, baby A, she was like, man, stop moving so much, man. I'm trying to go to sleep.
If it's a boy and a girl, I'm probably done until I'm at least 30.
Oh, no, we could be done. But,
what you mean?
But yeah, like I was saying, baby B was at there moving, you know, he was
He was doing too.
He said, He said,
not he. Let's just say baby B, because this could be a girl.
Yeah, baby B was in there dancing. I'm talking about they had energy like me.
I wanted to say sit down somewhere.
And then baby A was like her.
And like, I'm just imagining it. Like, I can't feel any of that right now. Like, baby B is doing a lot, and I cannot feel it.
Yeah, like a lot.
Like a lot, like kicking and everything, and I can't feel it.
That's probably him that when I was laying on your tell me I have my ear closed.
Oh my gosh, you heard or felt nothing.
Look, I'm trying to tell you.
They are in me. I would have felt it.
Babe, it's either I felt that or your stomach was growling and you were hungry.
My stomach was growling and I was hungry.
Late at night.
They're in me and I don't feel it.
You asleep though.
I don't feel them at all.
You asleep. You don't even feel me if I touch you when you sleep.
Cause I know it's you.
That's crazy. But yeah, waiting for the other doctor to come in.
Go back to sleep.
Look at this girl.
They left me in here like this for a reason.
And I gotta be like this. But anyway, waiting for the other doctor to come in.
They might do more pictures.
They might do more pictures. They might not. They're gonna get the measurements of everything, very heart rates.
But according to the pictures, my gestational age, their gestational age, I am 12 weeks and 4 days.
12 weeks and 4 days. So she said about 18 weeks, we'll know the gender?
When I come back on December 2nd.
So when we come back on December 2nd, we gotta make sure we let them know. Don't tell us. Put it in an envelope. Man, I'm so excited.
I just hope they don't get confused.
Yeah.
Like, you keep them separated, but you saw after a while, she was like, baby B, baby A.
Yeah. She was like, I'm already getting confused. I was like, oh man, that's how it about to be.
But once they're bigger, it should be easier to tell.
Yep. So this girl right here went to the bathroom to pee, not knowing that she was supposed to pee in the cup.
They didn't give me a cup.
She ain't touching that trash can.
Bad, it was a pedal.
Oh.
You didn't tell me. No one gave me a cup.
She came back. She said, oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know.
No one gave me a cup.
Oh man, I'm too weak.
Let's just let the water run through me. In like the next 15 minutes, I'll have to go.
She will have to go.
That's crazy. She didn't tell me.
What'd you say?
I'm not doing it.
What'd you say?
No.
She said she had a pee so bad she would have filled that whole cup up if they would have asked.
Last time I came, I didn't have to pee at all, so there's this much pee in there.
How much?
This much. Now, when I have to pee, no one gives me a cup to do so.
And how much was it?
This much. A lot of pee.
You did that in 2 cups?
Maybe. Should gave some to somebody.
You would have flushed the toilet and had to pee again.
I would have poured it, would have ran over and ran on my hands. I would have threw up.
No.
Too much?
Too much. Too much.
Hey, she should have told me. No one gave me a cup. I don't think there was cups in there. I was looking at the stuff. Can't remember if I seen a cup or not.
Cup or not? That sounds like a drink. Cup or not? Going to Starbucks. Look at a cup or not. Oh man.
8 shots.
This is a very small one. I mean, but your arm is gonna be sore. Mine was sore like for 2 days. I don't know why.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess because it goes into our skin, right?
Yeah.
But it's a very small needle. Yeah. Ready? Just relax. Ready? You want me to count?
Pause. Want you to count? You just said that needle wasn't big. Look at the size of that thing. And I guarantee you gonna go on with full force too, like you don't care.
No? Just do
Oh,
it.
Jesus. Oh, Lord, take the wheel.
Y'all. Kiana just took the flu shot. And when I tell you, that thing was, I about passed out. Like, that lady was like, the needle not that, it's not that, it's small, it's not big. Man, that needle about that big. I'm trying to tell you, my orange feel. I feel wheezy. I feel woozy right now.
As soon as I said no, she said,
yeah.
you want to just do it? You already
That's how they get you. Yeah, she's like, you want to count? No. And it's already in. I was like, man. And I've been working out for the past few days. Mom was already sore. When I saw that needle going to the one, I said, I was like, man.
It's been years since I had a shot.
Yeah, I told Kiana, man, I ain't had no flu shot since I was probably in the middle school. That's before any of the other viruses was into this world. But I was like, no. I saw that thing. I said, oh my goodness. My mouth was starting to get watery and everything. I was like, bro, what? I was like, but man, that joint was painful. Looked painful. It burned.
Did she put alcohol on it?
Oh yeah, she did put alcohol on it. And she put a lot up there, like legit a lot. I was like, what you about to do? Like some skin work? So what now?
They have times for how long each visit should last. So the next one, to tell the gender on December 2nd.
Wait, that's the next one? I thought we had one before that.
Yeah, but that's just a prenatal visit. That one's supposed to be like 30 minutes. But the one to tell the gender, 2 hours.
Bring my night clothes.
And then the prenatal visit, which is right after that, is another 30 minutes.
So basically, we probably gonna be in there for, I would say 3.5 hours at the max.
4 hours.
God, that's a half a work shift.
We'll be in there for a long time.
Long time. Man. Make sure I bring my phone charger too.
But at least they did our prenatal visits and our ultrasounds on the same day.
Yeah. Man. So pretty much our next big visit is going to tell our gender, guys. Right now. Go ahead.
6 weeks. That's what he said. It's 6 weeks away.
Go ahead and comment. So you know it's twins.
So by the time we post this,
Right now, I was thinking boys and girls. A boy and a girl. But now, they got the motorcycle police officers out here. But now, I'm thinking 2 boys. Because from the way, I'm thinking 2 boys, and I'm thinking it might still be a boy and a girl. Because from the way I seen in the ultrasound today, the one, baby B, right? Baby B had as much energy as me. And then baby A was kind of asleep. But I feel like if it's a girl, she woke up and was like, yo, why you doing all that? Like, what's up with you? And she seen what he was doing, and then she started, hey, what's goody?
you have too much thought into this.
Yeah. So I'm thinking boy and a girl. What are you guys thinking?
But by the time we post this, we'll probably like have a month before we know the gender.
Yeah.